In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Inkscape. If Inkscape is behaving oddly, your tools don't look right, or your custom settings have gotten out of hand, a reset can bring everything back to a clean, default state. This process restores Inkscape's preferences to factory settings without touching your documents. It may also clear custom keyboard shortcuts and interface tweaks, so keep that in mind. If you rely on a specific setup, consider taking a quick screenshot of your key settings so you can reapply them later. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to open fully so all menus are available. You don't need any special files for this, but it can help to have a canvas in front of you to confirm things are working. So go ahead and open an existing document or create a new one. A blank document is perfectly fine. Next, look at the menu bar along the top of the window and go to Edit. This is where Inkscape keeps most of its configuration tools. From the Edit menu, click Preferences. This opens the Preferences window, which controls everything from interface and input settings to tools, color management, and performance options. Inside the Preferences window, find the left sidebar. Scroll if needed and click on System. The System section shows where Inkscape stores your user-specific files, including your Preferences file. You don't need to change any folders here. We're just going to use a built-in reset control. On the System page, locate the Reset Preferences button and click it. Inkscape may ask you to confirm. This action removes your current Preferences file so that Inkscape can recreate it with default values the next time it starts. It's a safe way to undo misconfigurations, and it does not delete your artwork or remove extensions, though you may need to revisit extension settings afterward. To complete the reset, close Inkscape and restart it so the changes take effect. Make sure the application fully quits before reopening. On some systems, you might need to exit from the taskbar or menu to ensure it's closed. When Inkscape opens again, you should see default themes, tool settings, and panels. Test a couple of tools, check your units and snapping options, and confirm things look normal. From here, you can reapply any preferences you want, such as interface theme, keyboard shortcuts, or custom rulers at your own pace. That's it. You've successfully reset Inkscape and given yourself a clean, stable starting point for your next design session.